Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be another DIY transformation project. And today I am transforming this hoodie into a two-piece set. So I'm really excited to share you my ideas and what I'm going to do for this specific project. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off by you grabbing a pair of shorts and a tank top. So if you don't want to ruin your shorts, go ahead and go to a thrift store or Goodwill and pick up a pair of shorts for a few bucks and cut it up into patterns. And then just for this tank top, I'm just going to be tracing it. And if you don't have a pair of shorts to cut up, you could just trace around the shorts. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. Okay, so this is the pair of shorts. I'm going to go ahead and cut the seams all around. Okay, so here's the hoodie. So I'm going to have to place the pattern pieces right on top of this sweater. Okay, so that is probably the best placement I can do. So let's go ahead and pin it down. So the extra scraps that I have on the sweater, I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out how I'm going to do the top. Okay, so I have these pieces of fabric right here. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this out like this. The only problem I have is, yes, I have to cut some fabric for the top of the straps. So what I'm going to do with this piece is go under, cut it, and do it on this side, cut it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the top part. So I'm going to sew about like a fourth. Go ahead and fold over the neckline. Okay, so I did the whole neckline. Now I'm going to do the armholes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Final products for the top. Okay, so we have both of our shorts here. So you have the back and the front. So what you're going to do is unpin. Take that off. And then you have the back pieces. So get one piece, so get the front and get one back. So you want the raw edge. So you're going to go ahead and put these two up against each other. Raw, raw. Just like that. Raw, raw. Same. Okay, so now get your piece. So do the nice side like this. And then now you're gonna face the other one, the raw side. So it goes nice fabric to nice fabric against each other. We're gonna stitch this all around. Here we go. So it's gonna basically be like this. See that? It's already turning into shorts. So now go to the raw edge again. What you're gonna do is, so pin all this. So these are the shorts, and all I have to do is add the waistband, which I got from the bottom of the sweater. Just this ribbed knit band. So I'm gonna put this around here. So I'm gonna have to cut like right on the seam. I'm gonna kind of put it where I want it to go. So I'm gonna cut it right there and add a 1/2 inch seam. And then you want it enough where you can pull it down. Go ahead and just flip it over. And you have your waistband like that. So now we're gonna try to fit it around here. It's pretty tiny, but it's pretty stretchy. Ta-da! So this is the final project. I am literally obsessed with it. So I have my asymmetrical shirt. So asymmetrical is kind of uneven, but I like it. It's super cute. And then I have my high-waisted shorts. This is my favorite part. I literally want to make like 10 of these in different colors. So they're really cute to like be comfortable around the house, or if you want to go to the store and stuff like that. But so what I love about the sweater material is that it's really stretchy and giving. Yeah, so that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I love doing these types of videos. I love sewing. Like, I love it. Subscribe and like this video and share. And I will be posting more videos later in the week. More DIYs, more clothing transformation. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.